In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Loom with A 2026, step by step. By the end, you'll know exactly how to record, let Loom's AI do the heavy lifting, and then repurpose your content with smart, time-saving tools. Start by opening Loom and selecting New Video. Choose what you want to capture, your screen, your camera, or both together. Do a quick check that your microphone is picking up sound and your camera is framed the way you like. When you're ready, record your message, demo, or walkthrough, and then finish the recording. Keep in mind, Loom's AI features kick in after you stop recording, so don't worry if you don't see them right away. Once your video uploads, Loom automatically processes it. This usually takes a few seconds to a minute, depending on length and connection. During this time, Loom generates a transcript, creates captions, and analyzes your content to surface helpful insights. Leave the tab open, and you'll see the AI elements appear as they're ready. Now let's use the AI-generated features. Open the transcript panel to read along with your video or copy the text with one click. This is perfect for pulling notes, turning your talk track into a clean script, or quickly repurposing sections into other assets. Next, look for Summary or AI Insights. Loom compiles a concise overview of what you covered, which is great for busy stakeholders or quick previews before someone commits to watching the full video. If chapters or highlights are available, use them to jump straight to key moments. This makes your content easier to navigate, especially for longer recordings. For quick cleanup, try smart editing. You can trim mistakes and tighten the pacing, and in some cases, Loom will even suggest cuts to streamline your final version. To take things further, copy your Loom transcript and paste it into an AI writing assistant like ChatGPT. Ask it to turn that text into a blog post, a YouTube script, email content, or social media captions. Provide context about your audience and tone to get more polished drafts faster, and then review and personalize the output before publishing. When you're ready to drive action, edit your Loom video and add a call to action button. Use AI to help you write short, clear prompts such as book a call, download guide, or reply now, and link it to your calendar or landing page so viewers can take the next step immediately. Finally, consider automating your workflow with a tool like Zapier. For example, when a new Loom video is created, automatically send the AI summary to a client and save the transcript to Google Docs for your team. Consistent video names and folders will help these automations run smoothly. That's it. Record, let AI enhance, repurpose, and automate for maximum impact.